back. And our bark is completely melted. So we decided that since there's more green than red, we will do a red food color for our bark. So what you're going to do is add 1 drop, but don't put it away yet. So just mix it up.
Let me hang on to that just a little bit, make it easier.
Keep mixing. See how it's pink? You want it to be red, not just pink. Am I right? Because that's not more of a Christmas color.
No, that's pink.
Yeah. So what you're going to do is you'll add another drop. Don't add 2. Still just keep with 1. Because then you might add like a really dark red. We don't want that. We want kind of a bright red. See how this is turning pinker and pinker?
Oh, be careful.
Once if it gets hot pink, you're going to keep adding, well, 1 at a time, of course. And it should get red, like a bright, nice red. Or you can keep it pink. It's your choice. One drop. And if you add 2 drops, that's okay. You're just going to mix pretty fast.
There you go.
It's getting good. It sounds a little funny. Make sure you don't see any red in there. Like, you know what I mean. Like, if you don't see any red of this. So it looks like I don't see any more. Then, teensy bit more. Make sure you don't burn yourself. It looks really nice.
Is that red enough, or do you still think it's too pink?
It's probably still too pink. What do you guys think? I still think it's pink. Should we add 2 drops?
Yeah, let's see what 2 do.
Because we don't just want to waste time over here. Hey, Mimi, why don't you show them what the cookies look like again?
Okay. Here are the cookies after they came out of the oven. We're letting them cool. And you also have to let the cookie sheet cool between batches.
What happens if you don't?
Oh, okay. Presley wanted me to tell about why we use a double boiler. The reason is because if you heat chocolate up too much, it can actually burn or it can seize up. And what happens when it seizes up is it kind of locks down the chocolate so it doesn't flow, and you have to throw it away. So we're heating it very slowly at a pretty low temperature just until a melting point.
It smells like icing.
It does? I don't know that we're going to get it much redder. You want to just go with that?
Should I add 3 drops?
Okay, and then we'll stop because we don't want to put too much in.
If it's too red, well, that's okay, because then you'll have, like, different shades of red.
Oh, yeah, that's going to be good. We'll get that all mixed up, and then we'll be back.
So, we're going to keep mixing this up, and we'll show you what we're going to do with the brown.